cuties, welcome back to my little corner of color. I'm artist Amara Mazari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This piece is pure joy on black, too bold, surly magenta, roses bloom bright against a playful tangle of neon green leaves and vines. The black background makes every stroke pop like it's glowing. It's digital art with a hand-drawn soul, messy, bright and full of life. The thick, expressive lines feel like happy doodles that decided to become a garden. Magneta purple plant give them a creamy glow, like flower caught in a neon daydream. Each petal is a loop of joy, messy, playful, and full of energy. These purple roses are not shy. They swirl and sprawl with bold, juicy strokes that feel alive. Against the black, the purple bloom don't just sit there, they pop like little bursts of magic. In this splash of pink, purple and green, you smile? Drop a flower in the comments and hit subscribe for more art videos. See you in the next one. Bye kitties.